बॉम्बे आए नहीं कि
आपका
हमारे सोशलाइजिंग चालू हो गया. Oh, I should remove this.
waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids.
रंग जमा दे हमके बनी सभी मत वाले
मैं खुद में अकेली हूँ जो नहीं पी रही हूँ बिकॉज इतने दिन से मैंने बहुत पिया हुआ है एंड नाउ आई कांट एनीमोर. I'll just watch then drink and I'll have water. Hi guys, good morning. इतने दिन बाद I have had at least an 8-hour sleep. इतने दिन से I've been sleeping barely for like 6 hours, 7 hours or even less. And today I feel so good and wow. It's a Sunday yet I have a lot of things on my list that I have to work. When I was on the cruise, I didn't get any Wi-Fi or network, which is why I could not, finish up my work. I'm sorry. I think my voice has gone. I sound like it's a really husky sort of a voice, but okay. Anyway, forget it. I have a lot of things on my plate to do today, tomorrow, and I don't think I'm gonna be enjoying Diwali as I thought I could, but that's okay, I think, because soon I'm leaving for another trip. So before that, I have to finish so much of it, so much of the work. So yeah, I'm gonna go quickly make some coffee, and also because मैंने इतने दिन से मतलब इतने दिन मैंने मैं बाहर थी. I have not watched Big Boss and I feel sad. I feel like I've lost that connection. Like I'm wondering if there's a way I could catch up, because I'm not gonna catch up on all the episodes. Like I don't want to watch all episodes, but highlights of what has happened throughout the week. I know I sound pretty stupid right now, but yeah, I want to, because this 3 months are the only time when I'm really invested in a particular season, and I know I do this on purpose to myself. But yeah, I'm gonna figure out a way that about that too.
पर हाँ मुझे तेरी सोच सही नहीं लगती, तो अगर मैं चाहता हूँ कि तू अपनी सोच पे थोड़ा काम कर सके तो वो सही रहेगा, बिकॉज कल के टास्क में
Just got back from running, and yes, actually I was walking and running. It was a mix of walk and run. Hi guys! It's a fucking amazing day because first of all, happy Dhanteras. Secondly, we are making our website live today, which is the Tate Blends, if you guys aren't aware about it yet. I have my fucking brand and now it has got a website of its own, and we're just gonna make it live in like 2 minutes or less than a minute.
I just have to click one button and
Okay, so let's do it. I mean, yeah, why should we wait for anything? It's like 9, but we gave like a timeline of 9:30. What should we
let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. If there are people already on the website, they'll be able to order. For now, we have a limited set of products like candles, and we are going to be restocking the next week. This is basically for now to understand what is the audience liking, and accordingly we are going to restock more and less in the coming weeks. But for now, yeah, let's just hit.
In
3, 2, 1. Where's the button?
It's done.
It's done? Oh, guys. Sure? like website, a beautiful products, baby products. Oh, my bubble candles, they're so cute. And this is a limited collection for mama. And yes, that's it. Go order yours now. Tail blends, that's the website. Go for it. एक तो हम लोग 2 years के बाद मूवी देखने जा रहे हैं. उसमें भी मूवी is going to start in like 10 minutes and we are late. We are running. We are excited to watch a movie in a theater after so fucking long. Yay! And उससे पहले we just launched our website. Yay!
And Jabbar's music है bro.
Yay! And also Timothy love. Run!
सुरक्षा के लिए हमारे साथ साथ पीवीआर का सिनेमा स्टाफ भी वैक्सीनेटेड है.
Forum it opens from the top.
उम्मीद है कि आप भी वैक्सीनेटेड हो, क्योंकि जान है तो जहां है.
You guys are wondering why I am there in Forum's vlog. Actually, I have taken over her channel or her vlog today, and she doesn't know this. And I'm going to, sort of cook food for her. She's thinking that we are ordering food from somewhere, but yeah, I'm making some nice sandwiches, Subway sandwiches, which are as good or maybe better than outside. Yeah. Let's go. She's inside, I think, getting ready for the shoot, and I am getting ready for the lunch. We've got these breads. Nice, no? मस्त है ना? टेस्टी लग रहा है. मतलब ऐसे दिखने में तो ऑलरेडी मतलब रेडी लग रहा है. ऐसे भी खा सकते हैं इसको. तो ये तो एक ही है, बट I've got some burger buns. उसके अंदर भी स्टफिंग करके कुछ करेंगे. It's Diwali, guys, and खुशियाँ बांटने के लिए रेडी है. इसे सेंटर से काटिए. काटू कैसे राता, पटाखे तो फट्टे फुट रहे. मेरे को फोड़ने नहीं मिला ना 2 साल. तो भाई मज़ा आ गया. फट पड़ गया, ब्रेड पड़ गया मेरे से. रख दिया गाइस. नहीं, आई कैन स्टिल सेव इट. Lots of butter, lots of cheese. That's the main ingredient of any of the recipes that I work on. Cheese. एकदम loaded है ना bro. उससे सैंडविच अच्छा बनेगा या नहीं बनेगा. Okay guys, food is almost ready. That the Subway sandwich that I've prepared is almost toasted. I can show you. And let's take it outside on the table here. And she's inside somewhere. Let's surprise her. I'm gonna call her out to tell her that the order has come from Zomato maybe. Yeah. The order just came from Zomato.
ये थोड़ी मंगाया था.
तो क्या मंगाया था? Don't go into the kitchen, it's messy.
क्या है
यार.
ये?
Come.
Is this my Diwali gift?
This is not your Diwali gift. This is your Diwali lunch,
Lunch.
which I made.
Oh ho.
It's a DIY sandwich,
हाँ.
which has paneer, cheese, onions,
Is it now?
and
तो मेरे को तो कुछ स्मेल भी नहीं आया कि तू कुछ खाना बना रहा है.
ये इसका नाक बंद है.
थोड़ा सर्दी हुआ है नहीं?
Hmm.
But nice. How sweet, yeah. I was working and you took over my vlog or what?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Did you put makeup?
No.
No, then I can do this.
No. Skincare. Hi guys, what's up? Happy Diwali. I thought अभी मैं बस तैयार होके I'll start my vlog, but then Sagar took over. Any which ways, I have a very packed day and days. So मैं बीच में भूल जाती हूँ to vlog, but yeah, let me just give you an update कि क्या चल रहा है. So yesterday I went to the screening इसका इंडिया अफगानिस्तान का जो मैच था वो देखने के लिए हम लोग socials गए थे, and I went with my brother. We had a lot of food there. पिज़्ज़ा खाया, and they had like a different menu. Social stumps का जो एक मेनू था dedicated specially for the T20 thing, तो वो हम लोग खाने गए थे, and it was really nice. The platter was too good. उसके बाद I came back home, and then I had to come to my place here because tomorrow I'm leaving for Goa. We are leaving for Goa, like me and my entire family. We are going Goa. So उससे पहले I had to like sort out so many things because again I'm going on a vacation. मैं barely like 3-4 days मुंबई में थी, and I had to like finish so many things. Also website just launched हुआ, as you all saw. There were so many orders, and सुबह उठ के आज जल्दी उठ के मैंने सब packing किया है orders का. So it's been a crazy morning, and अभी जाके I finally got time to shower. So I took a shower and I'm like ready for lunch, and which is why we decided कि we'll order food from outside because there was no time we could cook lunch. But Sagar, being the sweetheart that he is, he just cooked this while I was inside working. क्या कैसा इंसान है ये. Anyway, secondly, yeah, so the orders have been packed, and they'll all be dispatched day after, I think, when the courier services start. So uska issue nahi hai. The problem comes now that I'm going for a 6-day long holiday, vacation, whatever, like vacation भी हो सकता है, because obviously like when I travel I work, and especially Goa है तो I like to work. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. पूरा खाई. अबे
दांत से हो ही नहीं रहा था फ्रंट से.
वीक है ना.
I didn't like it that much. I make better chocolates.
She didn't make it this year.
I didn't get time, Baba. My point was कि website just launch हुआ है, and I'm going for like a 6-day thing out of Mumbai. I'm not going to call it a vacation because it's not a vacation for me, but I'm going for 6 days के लिए मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ. तो I am a little worried कि हम लोग के orders जो भी आएंगे उसका क्या करें. So we are still figuring that out. I have thought कि जैसे हम लोग return होने वाले हैं वैसे I'm gonna hire someone to take care of this, like operations and everything, because we both are busy, and when we both travel this becomes really difficult, and I don't want that to happen with the brand. Like मतलब मेरा personal project अगर कोई होता है तो I can keep it आगे पीछे, but this is like a brand, and I don't want to brand which has customers involved, and I don't want to disappoint them. So उसके लिए we're gonna think about that, but for now like we are still figuring out कि क्या कर सकते हैं. के अलावा like I said, कल मैं गोवा जा रही हूँ, बट मेरी टिकट्स कंफर्म नहीं है अब तक, विच वी जस्ट रियलाइज डे बिफोर येस्टरडे. हम लोग ने आई थिंक 2 weeks अगो ही टिकट्स बुक कराई फॉर गोवा. आई थिंक 2 weeks या हाँ, जस्ट बिफोर आई लेफ्ट फॉर द क्रूज, उससे पहले ही हम लोग ने टिकट्स बुक कराई थी, एंड टिकट्स वर नॉट अवेलेबल इन एनी ऑफ द ट्रेन्स, एंड flights was so fucking expensive. 6,000 7,000 for Goa. कौन भरता है उतना पैसा? I have no clue. मेरे पास तो वैसा पैसा नहीं है. And हम लोग ने वो नहीं, obviously it didn't make sense like 6,000-7,000 for Goa का tickets. I think that's just too much. I know, मतलब I traveled regularly and I know कि 2,000-2,500 is the max I would pay for a flight ticket unless anything is urgent. But yeah, it didn't make sense to us, and then we thought कि चलो we'll just book in the waiting वाला train, I think. But yeah, so we booked and we didn't realize, but our tickets were in waiting. And today, I mean day before yesterday, we realized that we are in waiting. ठीक है, so we decided कि आज morning में we'll do a Tatkal ticket, but turns out we didn't even get the Tatkal ticket. So currently our waiting is around 38 or 36, Sagar? 36, and tomorrow is supposed to be our train, so we have no fucking idea. We'll wait till evening. अगर evening तक train tickets confirm नहीं होती है तो we are just going to cancel it and we'll go by road, like car book करके we'll just go, or we'll take my car and we'll just hire a driver. Let's see, मतलब वो like that is the plan, that is the backup plan. But this is what the situation is right now, and I just thought कि I'll update you with what's happening in my life and why I cannot vlog every bit of it, because there's just too many things around and I have to, like, my mind is here, my mind is there. I am physically here but I'm not physically here, you know, if that makes sense. Anyway, I'm just gonna quickly eat this yum food that Sagar made for me, and then I have a shoot that I have to finish before I leave. God, मेरी दिवाली कैसे दिवाली जैसी हुई मेरे को बताओ कोई. It's so full of stress and work. I don't know, but yeah, happy Diwali. Stop. Hello you guys, I'm back at my favorite spots, folding clothes, because मेरा आधा लाइफ इधर ही चला जाता है. Anyway, I got done shooting. It almost took me 3 hours. Yes, 3 hours to shoot this Urbanica haul, and I hope I'm seeing if I can post it this week or like probably next week, और देखती हूँ मैं. But मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ही थक चुकी हूँ, and it feels like I'm constantly working and I'm not like relaxing at all. Even like my sleep hours, I'm not getting the ideal sleep that I should. But I guess it's festive season and there's vacation and then there's everything else, so it's normal. By the way, yeah, this was the huge haul, and there's Sagar, वो bags pack कर रहा है for tomorrow. Update about my tickets, they're still not confirmed. ये थोड़ी बहुत cancel होके ऊपर आई है, but good news is that if the tickets don't get confirmed, we are taking the car, that's for sure. We are going Goa no matter what. However the journey may be, but yeah, we are going Goa, so उसके लिए we are doing the packing. These are the bunch of clothes from Urbanic जो मैं लेके जा रही हूँ, और बाकी सब मैं रख रही हूँ because majorly वो सब winter collection का है. And there's some amazing jewelry and new sunglasses that I can't wait to wear in Goa. And yeah, I think now I am going to meet the girls because it's been a while since I met them, and I'm also getting chola furi for P because उसको वो बहुत पसंद है. उसके बाद I am going to go home and have dinner with mom and my brother and Sagar, and then we'll finally sleep. So I don't think I'll vlog anymore because honestly I am just too tired now. I just want to meet my friends and be in the moment, even with my mom and everyone. I just want to be present with them and just like have a chill evening without capturing everything. So this is where I say goodbye. Miss me you all, and I love you, and happy Diwali and happy New Year जो कल नहीं, हाँ कल होने वाला है. Happy New Year, happy Diwali, everything else, and yes, I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.